Welcome for the next class. Today's class will discuss about the string instructions. So, these are the different string instructions: repeat on equal, repeat on non-equal, move string, compare string, scan string, load string, store string, loop on equal, loop on not equal. These are the different string operation related instructions. We will see one by one. The first is repeat. So, after repeat, any instruction specifies that particular instruction will be executed repeatedly number of times. For example, repeat add ax comma bx. So, in this particular case, the addition instruction is executed repeatedly number of times. So, the number of times equal to the count which is specified in Cx. So, depending on the value present in the Cx, so many times this add ax comma bx will be executed. So, after execution of add ax comma bx once, the count in the Cx will be decremented automatically. Then again this instruction will be repeated. Again count will decrement, repeat, decrement likewise till the count reaches 0. That is, the count present in the Cx reaches 0. Till that time the add ax comma bx, this particular instruction will be executed repeatedly. That is the usage of repeat prefix or repeat instruction. So, the specified instruction is repeated number of times. So, only one instruction that will be repeated number of times with the repeat prefix. Next is repeat if equal, repeat on 0. So, in this particular case, the specified instruction, for example, repeat on equal, compare the string word. So, in this particular case, what will happen is these two strings specified. So, one string is specified by data segment with source index register. So, the effective address is specified is 10h into ds plus si, that one string address. Another string effective address is extra segment with destination index. So, this will give another string. Now, the first string specified by ds and si is compared with the second string specified by es and di. So, these two strings will be compared. After comparison, if they are equal, if these two strings are equal, then automatically si and di will be incremented to point the second set of strings, then they will be compared. If they are equal, again si di will be further incremented and third set of strings will be compared. So, likewise, this particular comparison of strings will be repeated number of times as long as they are equal and the count in Cx is not equal to 0. So, after every string set comparison, the count in Cx will be decremented. So, this operation will be repeated till Cx is not equal to 0 and both these strings are equal. If the strings are not equal, then comparison will be stopped at that moment, even though count is not equal to 0. If strings are keep on same equal, then once the count reaches 0, the comparison stops. So, that is the repeat on equal, compare string words, that is the example of instruction in this. And the third is repeat on not equal, repeat on non-zero. So, here same repeat on not equal, comparison string word. Suppose if it is the instruction given, then as long as the strings are not same, the comparison will be repeated. Once they are same, the comparison is stopped. Or as long as the strings are not equal and the count in the Cx is not equal to 0, the comparison will be repeated till the count is 0 and the strings are not same. So, that is the not equal. Next is move string. the next set of instruction is move string byte, move string word. So, in this particular case move string. So, string from the source is being copied or sent, transferred to the destination. In this case, the source string is specified by data segment and source index register. This is the source and destination is specified by the extra segment and destination index. This is the destination. Now, if the move string, so the moment you give the instruction say simply move string. So, we need not specify the source and destination operands in this instruction. Automatically source is taken from the DSSI combination and the destination is taken from ES and DI combination. So, that is this. So, here so the string from source is being transferred into the destination, then the source index and destination index will be incremented automatically and the count in CX will be decremented. So, then again the next set of string will be transferred from source to destination. So, this operation is repeated till the count is 0. That is about the move string. Then compare, already we have seen in the previous instruction, compare the string with the repetition. So, repeat on equal and repeat on non equal, the same comparison. Next is the scan the string. So, in this case scan the string. So, here what will happen is when we are using this scan the string means two strings must be there. So, one string is available either in AL or AX. The string present in AL or AX is compared with the another string specified by ES and DI combination. So, this is being done. So, now this has been compared. For example, if the repeat on not equal or repeat on non-zero, scan the string AL AX with destination index with extra segment. Now, a string present in AL or AX is compared with the string specified by this. If they are not same, then DI will be incremented automatically, CX will be decremented automatically and the next string specified by ESDI will be compared again with the content of ALAX, AL or AX. If not same, again this will be incremented, account is decremented. Like this is being compared continuously till the CX reaches 0 or as long as they are not same. That is the scan. So, in case of comparison, so source index will be specified with the one string and destination index will specify other string. But in case of scan, so accumulator will specify one string which is constant and the destination index will specify other string. So, the other string is keep on compared with the first string, that is in this particular scan. Next is load string. So, when you are using the load string, so load string byte or string word. If it is string byte, AL, if it is string word, AX. So, what will happen is now the source is specified by the DS with SI. The content from DS SI are being transferred into AL or AX, that is load string. So, source is, this is the source and ALAX is the destination. If I am using the load string byte, then it is AL, load string word, then it is AX. So, that is how it will take as their 8-bit string or 16-bit string is to be transferred. Next is the store string, store string byte or string word. In this case, now content from AL or AX are being transferred to the extra segment specified with the destination index. So, now this is the destination. The content or string present in AL or AX will be transferred to the destination memory location specified by extra segment and destination index register combination. That is about the store string. Next is loop. So, when we will be using loop instruction if we want to repeat set of instructions in the same sequence number of times. The number of times will be specified through counter register CX. So, for that purpose the loop instruction is used. Okay. So, the loop instruction is used to repeat the set of instructions in the same sequence number of times, the number of times equal to the count specified in CX. So, that is the purpose of loop instruction. Loop on equal or loop on 0. So, here again the set of instructions will be repeated number of times depending on the flag 0 flag condition. If the 0 flag is set, then the set of instructions present in the loop will be repeated number of times. Okay. So, that is till the 0 flag is set and count is not equal to 0. The same way loop on not equal, again the set of instructions specified in the loop will be repeated number of times as long as the 0 flag is reset and count is not equal to 0. The moment 0 flag is set, the loop will be broken. So, the instructions will come out from the loop, control will come out from the loop, or if the counter is equal to 0, the control will come out of the loop. So, that is about the loop on not equal or loop on non-zero. So, this is about all the instructions related to the string operations. So, I will stop at this point. Thank you all.